Did that sound surprise you, class? Today we're jumping right in with a fun scientific topic. Why do we burp? And stay until the end, because the last fact might make you laugh the next time someone burps at the dinner table.
Yes, finally, a lesson about something my little brother does all the time.
Burping is actually very normal, Frankie. Everyone burps. Kids, teachers, astronauts, and even animals.
Even astronauts? Imagine burping in space.
That would be funny. But burping wouldn't send you floating away. Now, let's get into it. Inside your body is your stomach. When you eat or drink, food goes into your stomach to be broken down. But you don't just swallow food. You also swallow air.
Wait, I'm eating air too?
That is right. Every time you talk, chew, drink, or laugh, tiny bits of air go into your stomach. That air builds up, and your body needs to get rid of it. So the air travels back up. And that is a burp.
So a burp is just air escaping?
Exactly. Think of your stomach like a balloon. If too much air goes in, what happens?
It pops.
Right, and your stomach doesn't want to feel stretched or uncomfortable, so it lets the air out safely. That's a burp.
So it's like my stomach is saying, too much air, send it out.
Perfect explanation. Now here's something interesting. Some drinks make you burp more.
Soda?
Correct. Soda has tiny bubbles made of carbon dioxide gas. When you drink it, those bubbles go into your stomach, release gas, and that gas comes back out.
That's why I feel super full when I drink soda fast.
Exactly. Eating too fast, drinking too fast, chewing gum, or talking while eating can all make you swallow more air. And more air means more burps.
So if someone burps a lot, they might just be eating too fast.
That can be one reason. Now here's a funny fact. Some people try to burp on purpose.
I know those people. They think it's a competition.
Sometimes people push extra air into their stomach just to burp louder. But your body really only needs to burp when there is extra air. Too many big burps can actually make your stomach feel uncomfortable.
So normal burps are the best burps.
Exactly. Now here comes the big fact.
I'm ready.
Animals burp too. Dogs burp. Cats burp. And cows burp a lot.
More than my uncle at Thanksgiving dinner?
Much more. Cows have 4 stomach compartments, and when they eat grass, tiny microbes help break it down and make gas. That gas comes out mostly as burps.
So cows are like super burpers.
You could say that. Scientists even study cow burps because they release gases like methane that can affect the Earth's atmosphere.
Wow, cows are busy.
They sure are. Now let's review. Burps happen when you swallow air. Your stomach lets the air out so it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Bubbly drinks can cause more burps, and even animals burp too.
So burping isn't gross, it's science.
That's right. Just remember, burping is normal, but good manners still matter.
So maybe not at the dinner table, and definitely not during class.
Great rule, Frankie. And that's our lesson for today. Thanks for learning with us here at Fresburg Cartoon. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.